In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Next.js 15 project in Cursor. We'll start inside the Cursor application. Instead of looking for a Create Project button, head to the top menu and choose File, then Open Folder. Pick a new or existing directory where you want your project to live. This folder becomes your project root, and that matters because Cursor's AI features use the files and structure in this root to understand your context. If you're starting fresh, it's perfectly fine to create a clean, empty folder here. If you're adding to an existing workspace, just make sure it's the folder you intend to use for this app. Next, open the integrated terminal so we can run our setup commands without leaving Cursor. Go to Terminal, then New Terminal. This opens a shell at the bottom of the editor, usually already set to your project root. If it opens elsewhere, you can navigate to the folder you just selected. Keeping everything inside Cursor makes it easy to manage files and commands side by side. Now let's install the Next.js project. Run the standard creation command for the latest version. You can always verify the most up-to-date command in the official Next.js documentation, but a common one is npm create next app at latest. Press enter and the tool will fetch the necessary packages and start prompting you for details. Follow the prompts to name your project and choose configuration options like TypeScript, ESLint, Tailwind CSS, and the app router. Next.js 15 leans heavily on the app router and React server components, so enable those to access the latest features and best practices. TypeScript and ESLint are great for catching issues early, and Tailwind can speed up styling if you prefer a utility-first workflow. Take a moment to read each prompt so your project starts exactly the way you want. When the installation finishes, change into your new project directory by running cd, followed by the project name you just chose. Make sure the name matches what you entered during the prompt so you're in the correct folder. Finally, start the development server by running npm rundev. The terminal will build your project and display a local address, typically http://localhost 3000. Open that link in your browser to see the default Next.js starter page. As you edit files in Cursor, the page will auto-refresh so you can iterate quickly, and that's it. You opened a folder in Cursor, created a Next.js 15 app with modern options, navigated into the project, and launched the dev server. You're ready to begin building your application.